Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew. I'm in a different room right now, but it should work out fine. So I wanted to go over the next practice that you have, which is, should say at the top, Tuesday place value practice. So yesterday you worked on going from standard form to word form, and today you're going to work on going from standard form to expanded form. So I'm going to do the first one with you, okay, and for you so you can see how it looks. So we have the same number from before, which is 76,059. Okay, so in expanded form, if you might remember, you just write down the value of each digit starting, okay, with the highest place value. So I'm going to start with the 10,000th place, and there's a 7. So since it's 10,000s, that's going to be 70,000. Okay, so 70,000 plus, so what's the value of the 6 right there? That's in the thousands place, so that's going to be 6,000s, or just 6,000. Okay, plus we have nothing in the hundreds place, so we don't need to write anything, just blank. So we go to the 5. The 5's in the tens place. So 5 tens gives us 50. And then we just have 9 ones. So we just write 9. Okay, and then that's it. All right. So you have 3 more problems, just like you did yesterday. Okay, and there is a mystery number. This time it has 5 digits. So if I were you, I would move myself over here. I would write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So you have your ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay, so that will help you to solve the mystery number. Okay, all right. Good luck. Have fun, and I'll talk to you soon. All right.